Okay, so we are here. So it's definitely not in a house. It's right next to a house. It's touching some stuff. I don't know if you guys can see any of that, but it is messed up. Just the amount of damage done is just wild. And this vehicle is way back in this property, and it cannot go into neutral or anything. It's just dead in the water. So this is going to be a little project getting out of here for sure. It's a good thing we have this four-wheel drive wrecker, because I had to put it in four-wheel drive already, and I'm trying to get stuck in four-wheel drive. Just trying to get
truck, car, 6,000.
I'm just trying to get close to it.
Yeah, I know you're spinning out over here.
Right. Okay, let's hook up to it and then get it out from where it's at.
Readjust it.
Yeah, I mean, we got to get it around this truck and everything here. So pictures. Let's look underneath.
I couldn't find anything to hook onto or something, unless we go to the axle. Look, it's got airbags.
Yeah. Okay, so this might have that little stupid little toe point there. Well, it's going to be axle, right? Okay, we've got to get rid of this freaking broom and shovel. Just looking for something to hook up to it. Let's just use one of those J-hook chains over there. Just one. Let's just grab it. I'm almost wondering if we shouldn't try to grab from the outside here to get some that direction on it. Here, give me that end.
What's it called?
Right, yeah. Ouch, those got thorns in them. Okay, let's do this. And then now I'm gonna pull forward. Yeah, let me pull forward a little. Let's do. Okay, we'll pull on it and then, yeah, we'll see what it does. Might have to have you steer it. You want to try to turn the wheel to the right? To the right? The stump?
Yeah.
Okay, if we grab it from this other end now? If we grab it from this end now, will it fold it back the other way?
Should have probably closed the door.
Oh.
Because now it's underneath the door. I wonder if they have a chainsaw right there.
Okay, what if we grab this front wheel and try to spin it?
That direction?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, but tear down the building.
I don't know if they have a chainsaw or not, buddy.
I saw two chainsaws. I saw a chainsaw. Do I have a chainsaw if it works?
This stump right here is trying to grab on it. You don't know if you have a chainsaw, we can cut it lower?
We've got a little one. I don't know if it's going to take that stump out, but we can try.
If you have it, we'll try. If you have it, I just don't have one on me.
Hold on.
Oh, we didn't know.
Yeah, I know.
We thought this was inside of a house. How else?
Does the door pop off? Oh, shit.
Oh, here's a chainsaw right here.
Looky there.
I doubt she works.
Probably not.
You want to try it?
I'll be surprised if that fucker starts up. It might though. It's sealed. It's got an O-ring on the gas and stuff. Yeah, there it goes. It's gonna fire up.
You're not even trying, huh?
No.
Crap. Okay. Well, I can back up to it. We can pick it up and then close the
I
door.
was thinking about, yeah, back, yeah, or there's a lift right there, a jack.
It's not gonna slide with it though. Let's do that.
I texted the guy with the chainsaw. If
That's
he doesn't answer in a minute, I'll go up and see if I can.
all right. We're just gonna go back here and pick it up. Yes, sir. We're gonna pick it up so we can close the door.
Do you need a hand? Are you going to pick it up by hand?
No, we're gonna use the truck. I don't think we can pick it up by hand. No, it's just gonna, it'll spring it open, you know, so then it's gonna, here, let's just throw it up here. It'll just spring it, you know. So then we got the whole ride to Austin with it messed up. Okay. I guess I should take this off. You want to get me up under it? Well, that wasn't planned. You just roll with the punches. Oh, you're good, buddy. Let's just hook it up. Like, we're gonna tow it out of here. I got 3 showing.
3 showing?
Yeah.
I do?
But yeah, you do too. So, okay, we're perfect then, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, let me try to pick it up, see what it does. This sucker's wanting to kick out. Okay, let's strap it. Let's see how much we tow with this. I don't even have the freaking straps out. You gotta get your strap. You got yours on there? Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to pull forward with it.
Yeah.
Let's tie that steering wheel. It's straight right now. Let's go ahead and tie it there. Or if you want to just sit in it and hold it for a second, because we might end up needing to turn it right over here. Shit, I gotta go up.
Yeah, I gotta go up a little. I'm tired. I'm gonna go right over.
Okay, so you're gonna have to turn the wheel.
Yeah.
if you turn it on, you could roll the window down. Foot on the brake and hold that switch to the right. Okay. Hey, does the horn honk? Okay, honk if I gotta stop. Okay, so that's, what's that, buddy?
All the water rusted to the front. You can hear all the slishing and sloshing in there.
Oh, dang. Okay. So.
And will you be able to get it out that way? And then I can load it up, or? I don't think you want me to come back here.
Yeah, let me look at it. So. I wonder, I mean, I could get it to over here.
And then I can get right here.
Yeah. It's not gonna look real pretty, and now I was really having to peel out there, but yeah, let's do that. Let's just drag it out to here.
I'll get in it.
Yeah, I don't think it matters because the wheels aren't spinning, so. Try to turn it to the left. Yeah, they're not, we're just dragging we're just dragging, so. You can sit in it if you want, still just honk if I need to hit my brakes.